Hello my friends and welcome you back to my channel. This is Ali, and today I'm going to show you the wheel rims of Maruti 800 and how did we restore the wheel rims to the new one. Let's check it out this video, how did we do the work, and please like, share and comment. Thank you. So M&M is situated in Golaghat, Amlapati near LIC building, Assam. So please visit. So before we start the work, we had cleaned out the rims and removed the rust and dust in the rims. And after cleaning, we are going to put the first coating, that is surfacer coat. Surfacer is an sanding paint used to fill surface irregularities. It offers benefits like flexibility and safeguards to the production process. Actually, surfacer plays the first role before painting, as always. So after surfacer, we are going to paint the original paint, that is matte black. The customer wants it in matte black, that gives the ultimate looks to the car. So let's check it out.